Hello students, today I will discuss about the zeroth law of thermodynamics. That is the topic of the thermodynamics in semester 3rd. What is the meaning of the temperature and what is the concept of the temperature? Thermodynamics basically deal with the science of the temperature, and that is the temperature. It is associated with the ability to differentiate with the hot from the cold. What is the meaning of thermal equilibrium? As already discussed in the lecture 1, when the two bodies at a different temperature are brought into the contact, some time later they attain a common temperature. Now they are in thermal equilibrium. That is called the where the no exchange of the heat taking place after the some time between the hot and the cold fluid. That is called the thermal equilibrium conditions. And thermal equilibrium condition, it is the needed for the law of thermodynamics for the equilibrium. That is the law of thermodynamics, zeroth law of thermodynamics. When the two bodies A and B are the separately in a thermal equilibrium with the third body, they in turn are in thermal equilibrium with each other. They are also called, in another words, when a body A is in thermal equilibrium with a B body and also separately with a body C body, then B and C will be in thermal equilibrium with each other. That is the main definition of the zeroth law of thermodynamics. That is the base for the all temperature measurement. Thermal equilibrium, it is the key word for the zeroth law. That is the key word for the zeroth law, where the no exchanging of the heating take place. When the fever is coming up for a human body, sometimes thermometer is attached with the human body, and after that when the temperature is rise in the thermometer, and if the thermometer is discharges, there will be attained a normal temperature after some time. That is the in a diagram where the object thermometer which is taking place, object 2 and object 3. That is the object 1 called the thermometer, where the exchanging of the heat taking place between of the object 2 and object 3. There is a arrow which is the sign where the heat is higher side, there is a exchange of heat taking place. Similarly, in this case, object 3, where the higher side of heat is taking place, there is also exchanging of the heating take place. Similarly, if the object 2 and object 3 is the differentiate of the heat, there will be exchanging of heat taking place, which is much more. When the two objects are separately in the thermodynamic equilibrium with the third object, they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. If these object 1 and 3 objects are in the thermal equilibrium, and object 1 and 2 are in separately in thermal equilibrium, then object 2 and 3 is also in thermal equilibrium. That is the law of zeroth law. That is the temperature measurement procedure. A reference body is used and a certain physical characteristic of this body which changes with the temperature is selected. The changes in the selected characteristics may be taken as an indication of changes in the temperature. The selected characteristics called the thermodynamic property. Expansion of the mercury in the tube is used as a thermodynamic property. The reference body which is used in the determination of the temperature, that is called the thermometer. That is the zeroth law of thermodynamics, in which the constant volume gas thermometer which is taking place, mercury manometer, flexible tubing, capillary gas in a close in a valve, where the pressure will be taking place in the right lane, in the left lane, that is equal to the P naught, that is the atmospheric pressure, plus rho m g j, that is the G is the datum, Z is the datum, which is a rise from the this side, and height also it is called height, and rho m is the density of the mercury, P is the gas in the valve. This is the formula which is using in the constant volume gas thermometer. And from the ideal gas equation, delta T is equal to V by R into delta P, where the delta T is equal to also writing as delta V by R, where the pressure remains the constant pressure gas thermometer, temperature increases is proportional to the pressure increases, delta P. What is the meaning of heat? Energy transfer by the virtue of the temperature difference, that is called the heat. Transit form of the energy, path function, low grade of energy, negative heat means heat transfer from the system to surrounding. It is the indication that is the heat loss. Positive heat, it is the heat gain, heat transfer from the surrounding to system. Heat absorption, that is the heat gain. What is the heat? That is the concept of heat when the heat is gone from the hot to cold fluid, that is the temperature changes from 26 to 26, there will be a no change of heat taking place. Energy transfer by virtue of the temperature difference, path function, low grade of energy, positive heat and the negative heat also. Work, what is the work? That is the force into displacement, Newton meter joule. Energy in transient, path function, high grade of energy, work done by the system on the surrounding, that is called a positive work. But work done on the system by the surrounding, that is called a negative work. Work and heat. Work is energy transfer between the system and the environmental. When a net force acts on the system over a distance, the sign of the work is the positive when the force is in the direction of motion. Work is the negative when the force is opposite to the motion. That is the work. Thank you. Tomorrow I will discuss about the concept of the ideal gases.